eyes. Tell them what happened. We're gonna see which one the egg float. Which one you think is gonna float?
I don't know.
The one with salt, or the one with just regular water?
I think all of them.
Think all of them gonna float?
Actually, I think the regular ones are gonna float, not
The
the
regular one?
not the salt, because salt don't float.
Okay. Let's see then. Let's figure it out.
But if it go all the way down there, then it would get stuck. Wait,
Oh, I wasted a little
is
bit.
that one regular water?
Yeah, that's regular water.
So that one regular water. Perry, come here. So Perry, you going? Is it time now? Should I drop it? I'm gonna drop it. No.
Not yet.
Not yet.
You gotta put the salt in the water.
Okay, I'm just gonna get it.
Huh?
Look it.
I'm gonna put the salt in the water, wait.
Perry, wait.
Yeah, you can put it over there.
No. Look, he getting the salt and put it in here. Okay. No, you drop it. You put it in that one.
Huh. You put it in there. Drop it in there.
Whoa. Look at that. Whoa.
We're gonna try the other one.
It's Perry turn. Give me.
Huh, Perry? Drop it in there. Drop it in there. Huh. Stir it up, Perry.
Hey, I'm gonna stir.
Wait. Salt.
No,
Salt,
Perry, like this. Let me try. Let me do it.
Okay. You gotta get down to the bottom.
Can I do that? Okay, I will do it. I will go to that.
Go ahead.
I will go to all the way. Whoa, milk. It's not milk. And if you drink it, it will be disgusting.
Yeah, disgusting.
Yeah. I want it. Yeah, don't look.
Not yet. Huh?
Wait.
Let me help you. Huh, you try it, Perry.
Don't spill it. Sit down.
Okay, I'll do it. You try it right. Okay, we got the salt water.
Perry.
Put each one in there. Let's see which one
I
floats.
got the top.
Wait, which one you think gonna float? The regular water or the salt water? Which one?
This one. That one.
Drop it in there. Oh, that one went to the bottom. Oh, that one went to the bottom too. They all went to the bottom. Ain't no way. Let's see if we can make it go up.
They all have.
Let's put some more salt in there. Let's see. I want to see if the salt gonna make it.
Whoa. No way. Whoa, that's what we put in.
Is it gonna make it go up? I don't think. Oh, wait.
It's making it move. Don't crack it.
I'm not.
It's gonna crack it now. Don't crack it. Oh, it's making it go.
No. Yeah. It might go up. Hold on. Let's take it back out. Let's see. Let's see.
Daddy, let's pretend to make Easter eggs.
Easter eggs?
Yeah, so
Yeah,
we
we gonna
can.
make Easter eggs when Easter comes.
No, we still have coloring
Put it back
to
in
do
there.
that.
Put it back in there. Let's see.
Daddy, we still have coloring food to do that, so we can still do it.
Okay. You can. Okay, put it in there.
Perry,
Put
leave
it in
it.
there. Try it again.
Oh, it's floating.
Oh,
slowly.
no,
It went
it's
down,
back.
it went down.
You need a lot more salt. The salt ain't that they put.
Daddy,
No
let me
way.
see. Daddy, let me see. Daddy,
Huh?
let me see it. Let me see it. Put more?
Wait. Let me try to get it. Oh my God.
I'm gonna put it
Okay, give it to her. Give it to her. Share. You can do the next one. This ain't just one cup. We got 3 cups.
Give me, Daddy. Hey, give me. Watch out. Hey, Daddy.
Okay.
Hey, Daddy, Mama. Hey, Nancy.
Oh, it floated! It did it!
It's floating.
It did it! I knew it was gonna float.
I knew it.
Look, it float. I told you.
We should make it.
I told you.
How about this one?
Don't knock it over, Perry. Look, don't knock it over.
Daddy. Daddy, go up.
It's float. Yeah, keep going up. I told you.
Daddy, this one.
It floated. Hey.
Daddy.
Huh?
Let's make this one float.
Okay. Wait, let's get it out. We ain't put enough salt in it. That's why. Let's try the next one. Stop. You gonna knock that over.
Daddy,
Go ahead, put some more. Go ahead, pour it. Let's see those in.
Perry, you put the egg back in there? Really? I was gonna put it in there, not you. Me. No.
It's Lala's turn now, Perry.
Me. The egg looks like it's gonna get cracked. Hey, you play go?
Yeah, let you taste that. See
Hey,
what I
no.
do. Go ahead, put it up. Let's see if that will float, Lala. No, we need more salt.
Let me see. Let me see the salt. Where is it?
Tastes like salt that you put in food. Yeah.
Let me get it out.
Get out.
Oh shoot. Should
So the one with salt definitely float.
I do that?
What? Yeah, get it. No. The water gonna float. It's gonna go overflow.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Barry. No more salt. Stop licking that salt, girl.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
It's disgusting. That's nasty. That's disgusting.
Ew.
No, that's disgusting.
Ew.